Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Candy Crush Saga app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Candy Crush app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to add friends, simply tap onto the friends button right here, just like this. Now to add, simply tap on to add button just like this. Now you can see the request has been sent. Now send the request and add friends as much as you want, just like this. And if the player accepts your request, you can simply be friends on the Candy Crush Saga app. And that's it. This is how you can add friends on the Candy Crush Saga. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.